Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Poco C65, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve speed, how to improve performance of this device. Make this device faster. Firstly, let's open the settings. In settings, find about phone. This is the first item you can find in settings. Then here find storage and click on it. As you can see, I have a lot of free space, but you need to remember the one rule. When you fill up your internal storage over the 75% full, your device is starting to slowing down. So it's a very good idea not to fill up your storage over the 75%. If you have, so you can remove old games, old files, old applications you are not use, and in this way you will make your device faster. The second aspect you can make to do to make your device faster is to open the additional settings, and here scroll down and find memory extension, and here choose 6 or 8 gigabytes of expansions, for example, and click reboot. Why memory extension can help us? It's just because all processes are running at the moment, they are running in RAM. Of course, here again, the winner is one who invests in a device with more temporary storage, but if you have not too much storage, you can use little part of internal storage like memory. This is the memory expansion feature. So choose, for example, 6 gigabytes of memory expansion and reboot your device. Cool. And the last aspect that can improve performance of your device is cleaning trash files, removing trash files from your device. So in Android, a lot of applications litter behind a lot of junk files, and sometimes you just need to clear them. To do it, we have built-in tools in Xiaomi device. So one of these tools is Google Files. In the Google Files, you can allow everything, allow. You can click clean button, and in Google Files you have junk files block, and here you can click clean to clean junk files from your device. But here we have the other tool. Now I'll show you it. To do it, you need to to find this tool, you need to open settings, then scroll down, find here storage, and in storage you will see clear. So click on it and wait a while, and this as you can see here we have cleaner. In settings of this cleaner, we can change the minimum file size, maximum file size. But here in this cleaner application, we can clean cache files, absolute files, packages, old downloaded files, and of course clean the RAM, clean the memory. And you just need to clean your trash files from time to time. I suggest you do it once a week, maybe you can do it twice a month or once a week, and in this way you will always have your device in good condition. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.